Good morning, guys. Look, I heard something outside. It came out, and I think it was a crow. I don't know, but it's a freaking big bird. Look, I'll show y'all. It's, it's in the top of my roof right now. I'm scared. It might go on me. I think it left. I don't know if it did or not. But it was this huge bird. I think it was a raven. I don't know if it was or not. It couldn't fly, dude. It couldn't fly cause maybe it had like trash in its stomach. It couldn't fly that much. Oh shit. I don't see the raven. I think he left, cause it heard me coming out, and it was okay. Hey, look, it was up there, like all the way up there, right there in the showering. Hang on, you can't see it. It was right there, like up there. It's like that. It was right there. I think you guys don't believe me because you didn't see it, but I saw it, so. Like I thought it left, but it went to the middle. I saw his head peeking out. I hear him, dude. He's over there somewhere. Oh shit, that scared me. Holy shoot. Okay, this is how it started. I was watching TV from right there, I was watching TV, and I heard this big bird land right there on that perch. And then when it came out, it was huge. His stomach was really full, and then and then he flew from right there right here, cause he couldn't fly that good, that much, like not that good anyway. And then he was right there, Hang on, right there. He was right there. He or she, I don't know. I think she was pregnant. I don't know if she was, or maybe it could be like a male, but had trash in his stomach. Cause I've seen a lot of birds with trash in their stomach. Well, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thanks for watching, but thanks really short. So comment down below if you don't believe me. If you do believe me, comment down below. Subscribe, hit that bell to get every video I post. Oh, there it is, right there. It's right there. It went on my neighbor's roof though. I don't see it. Oh, my foot. I don't see it though. Oh my god. There it is. I hear it. Do you guys hear it? Oh shit. Where is it? It left, I think it left. I think that was a raven. Or it could